BALAW to KOHAW
Namaskar. I feel deeply honored to share my thoughts on inspiring initiative of Dilipji's 100th State Tour, Song of Return. A heartfelt movement dedicated to awakening the spirit, culture and hope of the Kashmiri people displaced from their homes. More than 3 decades have passed since that unfortunate and painful exodus. Yet the soul of Kashmir, its music, language, tradition and deep sense of community continue to live within every Kashmiri heart, no matter where in the world they reside. Dilipji is a truly inspiring artist who has been using universal language of music to keep alive the ancient soul of Kashmir. In a world where conflict and displacement have caused so much of pain, Dilipji has chosen to respond through art, through melody, through rhythm, poetry. Every note, every word carries the fragrance of our culture and the spirit of our people. Through this tour and the Song of Return, Dilipji reminds us that culture is not bound by geography. It lives through us, in our stories, in our art, in our prayers, and in our shared dreams. Every note of this song is a call to unity, a reminder of the home we left behind, and a promise that one day we will walk again through the chinars of our beloved valley. Dilipji's performances are not only artistic expressions, they are acts of healing. They remind us that no matter what happens, our culture, our language, our love for the land can never be destroyed. I have seen tears in people's eyes during these performances, not of sadness, but of recognition, because these songs awaken something deep within. In those moments you realize that art can do what politics and power can never do. Art can heal. This initiative is more than a cultural revival. It's a journey of healing and remembrance. It brings together generations, reminding our youths of their roots, their language, and the timeless beauty of our Kashmiri heritage. It inspires us to keep the flame of identity alive, to preserve what is ours, even as we contribute to the world around us. And above all, it strengthens the hope of return, a peaceful, dignified return to the land of our ancestors. Let's all lend our voice to this song, the Song of Return, as a prayer for peace, as a tribute to resilience, and as a message that though we were displaced, we were never defeated and we will never be. Together, we will keep the Kashmiri culture alive, keep our community connected, and keep the dream of return shining bright. Until that blessed day, when we can once again call the valley our home. Jai Sharda Mata, Jai Hind.